We're back on the Bobcat today. You know, I started it up and it was sounding pretty good. And then I opened up the back door and I got just an awful noise and a rattle. Let me show you what I found. You see that? We got a big hole in the muffler. I think it's time to fix this thing. This has been a really good machine, and this looks like the original muffler, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to splurge and just go buy a new one. So looked at the label, Nelson muffler 9N29. So I did a quick search, nothing, couldn't even get a hit on that. And then I cleaned up the top here. I found another number, NM16986. Same thing, search for that, couldn't find it anywhere. I can't find a muffler for this thing. I don't think they make it. Bobcat certainly doesn't make it anymore, or doesn't offer it. So what I'm left with here is to try to repair this. So this side, we can see had that hole in it. This side has got, basically it's all dinged up on this edge. I think people are, taking it off had to hit it right there and kind of dented it. But I've also got black marks around here, so that tells me that it's leaking on this side as well. The rest of it looks pretty good, actually. So I think I'm going to repair it. The construction on this looks like they put this centerpiece in and then folded the edges around it. You can see that. So I think the first thing I'll do is get a grinder and just take this very edge off, and then I should be able to pop the ends out. Straighten up this opening first. Alright, I got the end caps cut out, cleaned up. I'm not going to worry about these edges too much, at least at this point. And cleaned up the edges of the muffler. And here's how it's going to go. Alright. So I cut it just a little bigger than the muffler. I'll weld it all the way around in here, and when I'm done, I'll get a grinder and just clean this all up. Okay, I'm done welding and grinding. I think this will be good enough to work, certainly better than it was. Now the next thing I want to do is put this on and just take a listen and see how we did. And if everything looks good, I'll pull it off one more time and we'll put some high heat paint on it and we'll be done. All right, muffler's all done. I think it turned out really nice and it saved me a few bucks. And I think it looks pretty good. I know it works good. I don't know how much it really quieted this thing down. But at least I know it's as quiet as it can be with this setup. So thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.